Jai Gurudev. Welcome to Maharshi Aromatherapy. Today we are going to look into the beneficial effect of rosemary. Rosemary has a certain varieties, but the basic effect where it leads to you that we are discussing today. The basic area of rosemary essential oil is on digestive system, circulatory system and mental activity. On the digestive system, rosemary is working is as a very good digestive. It helps digestion, relieves flatulence, bloating, some mild cramps when sometimes sweet pain in the abdomen when they appear. So, the cramps is not very complete and not strong, a light cramps are there in the abdominal muscles or intestinal muscles, and rosemary relieves that. Rosemary is also relieving the constipation, because when it supports the digestion, and rosemary is not an astringent, which if astringent then can cause, let us say, not very helping to the constipation, but as it is not astringent, it is helping to the constipation also. And that is why we see in the market also when there are olive oils etc., we see also with rosemary. So, with the rosemary those oils will get boosted by the rosemary. But when we apply the rosemary oil, it is very wonderful and very quick effective. Rosemary is a wonderful appetite stimulant. Those who intake it with food, on any recipe, on rice or on somewhat on the bread or something like that, a drop, 2 drop, soup, something, it gives a good stimulant to the appetite. On the circulatory system, rosemary improves the circulation. It not only the circulation of cardiovascular, but all the enzymatic circulation or secretions of the enzymes, especially bile to the intestine, it is working very well. So, it is very good for improving the circulation into your limbs, into the feet. So, that is why the effect of cold, when you get a cold hands and cold feet, in such a case having the rosemary oil as a massage or as inside or inhalation, all are helpful. Rosemary oil is also very good on hairs, because rosemary stimulates the hair follicles. It increases the flow of blood under the scalp, and when it increases the flow of the blood under the scalp, it strengthens or carries the nutrition to the hairs. We see that when the hairs, they are getting a kind of not straight, but somehow when they get weak, they are not in a good shape, a kind of wrinkle kind of in the hairs, small type of there are some straight hairs and there are some hairs which does not have that straightness, thinness, and then like a wrinkle on the skin, the same kind of things you can see there. And in that case, applying the rosemary in a carrier oil like almond, sesame, brings about a good stimulation to the follicles and blood circulation. These hairs becomes more nourished and get a good luster and good tone. It is also advised about rosemary that rosemary slow downs the fall of hair. That is why it is good to apply at least thrice a week oil to the hair for those men in particularly, those who see their hairs are falling very fast. To slow down their baldness, one can apply this oil. Rosemary is also an excellent brain and nerve tonic. It gives strength to the nerves and stimulation to the brain, and that is why it boosts mental activity. It relieves the dullness, laziness from the mind and into the nervous system mainly. It is also very useful to relieve the mental fatigue when you are studying or something like that, when not physically but mentally, when you are tired, and forgetfulness. So, in these cases also one can use the rosemary oil inhalation and some what we can say head massage with carrier oil and with honey inside as a 1 drop, 2 drop in a honey water to stimulate the whole system of circulation, digestive and mental activity. So, this is the way we can use rosemary in our practices.